We're here and we're ready. Woo! Here we go. Super duper exclusive board. First time unboxing it right here. Shouts out once again. Is that a signed Ghastly on the back? My dude. Oh yeah, what's going on everyone? My name is Dez360 and welcome to Flipping Boards, the channel where we teach you how to collect, buy, sell, and trade skateboards and cardboard, aka trading cards. Today we are going to unbox something legendary. I am a big Pokemon fan. If you didn't know, look at my wall, now you know, right? And the thing about skateboarding and collecting, it's really built up upon nostalgia, something that makes you remember the past or something awesome, a really cool feeling. So, you know, Pokemon has been booming, surging for 20 plus years, and I'm super stoked to add this board that we're going to unbox today to the collection. So before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, maybe even a comment or two, you know, name your favorite Pokemon. Let me know what you think of this board. I want to talk about the art of flipping before we start. What does that mean? The art of flipping is as simple as buying something, selling it, hopefully you make a profit, right? So let's just say I were to go buy a skateboard for 50 bucks, and then I know that I can sell that skateboard for 100 bucks. Cool, I just made 50 bucks and I got to enjoy the skateboard in the process. Big thing that I like to definitely stress upon is collecting what you enjoy. So for me, I love skateboards, I love Pokemon cards and trading cards and sports cards and all that cardboard, right? I'm gonna collect it. Some of it I'm gonna keep for my personal collection. Some of it I'm gonna flip, make some profit, and then reinvest it. But today we're just doing the unboxing. Shouts out to my man, Starkey Greziak. He came through with the exclusive drops and I've been itching to open this up. So let's just do it. So I'll tell you the story real quick, how this happened. I was scrolling on social media, came across this page, really cool artist, Starkey Greziak, and I saw that, man, he's doing some stuff. But none of his stuff is for sale. So I had to wait, and then finally got the opportunity, and he said, hey, I got something for sale. Go snatch it up while you can. Limited quantities. Your boy came through. So if you need that cool artwork, that cool graphics, I might need some scissors for these. When you're so hyped, you just wanna rip it open.
1 hour later.
We're here and we're ready. Woo! Here we go. Super duper exclusive board. First time unboxing it right here. Shouts out once again, Starkey Greziak. Oh. Hey, that's part of skateboarding, man. Shouts out to Starkey Greziak. Wow. Incredible. Ghastly, Haunter, Gengar. It's freaking amazing. Beautiful, come through in the clutch with the Psychic Evolution Pokemon exclusive deck. Whoa. Is that a signed Ghastly on the back? My dude. All right, you guys have to check it out. This is a beautiful board, the pink wood grain. Some holographic in it as well. There's some slight gloss shimmer here. Beautiful. Starkey, this is fire. Check it out. The Ghastly off the rip. Super exclusive stuff here. And I'm so stoked to have this as part of the collection. It's going right up on the wall. You guys will be able to see it almost every episode to go with the Pokemon. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. This board I paid what, $160, something like that. It was up there, but it's exclusive, so it's like totally worth it. I have no plans for reselling this board, folks. Sorry, it's staying. It's part of the squad. Wow. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Again, that's how we do it. You know, you always want to collect what you enjoy. I have my personal collection, then I have my flipping collection, and my inventory. And that's how it goes. Have fun doing it. I'm gonna flip other boards to pay for this. Let's say this costs 160. I gotta go make 160 now and do that by flipping other boards that I still admire, still appreciate, still want to spend time with and enjoy. But I have to, you know, also be disciplined, and as I'm running a business, gotta make some sales. So there it is, guys. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Flipping boards, Des360. We'll see y'all next time.